Hi everyone, my name is Chris. I am the owner of Alpha Grafikon and the main web developer and graphic designer behind the scenes. Just a little bit about this section of the website. We are talking about premium websites. Now the reason I've tagged us as premium websites is because of the finish, not the price. There's a premium finish on there, the way it looks, the way it works and the way the website feels. It's all very upmarket. Some of the price tags that you will see for the websites that are built from other companies, upwards of £40,000. £40,000 for a website. What? Absolute madness. What you get with me, I'm a graphic designer, I do video editing, I do Photoshop work, I create logos, so this enables me to build your website from the ground up in any way that we choose. It means I can create visually stunning websites with a plethora of videos thrown in there, mainly to boost engagement and to show off all your services in a very quick way right in front of a person. So what I would say to you, if you want to have a little look, you can click on the View Portfolio button just next to me on the screen. If you do what you see, then by all means, give me a call, give my director of operations a call, drop us an email, and we'll arrange a one-to-one digital consultation and we'll see what we can do for you. Cheers guys.